Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be solving the 5x5. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Alright, here we go. So in one of my recent videos I did say I would be teaching you how to solve some of these cubes. And yes, I will, but today I'm just going to be solving the 5x5, not really showing you how to do it. So don't worry, I will teach you eventually though. And I'm going to be solving all the way up to a 10 by 10, maybe even a 13 by 13. And then I'll start teaching you guys how to actually solve them. So yeah. Alright, just need to Alright. Alright, so now that I finished all the centers, I'm actually going to go on to edge pairing. Here we go. Alright. Let's see. Get this. And oh, that was a mistake. I should have got that other edge piece before I put it up into that layer. You guys probably have no clue what I'm talking about right now, but in the later videos, you will know everything what I'm talking about. So, yeah. And I am probably going to be doing some Minecraft videos, so stay tuned for that. Alright, nearly done. With the edge pairing, not the whole cube. Let's find another piece here. And oh, let me do that. Alright. Alright, one more edge, and then we're on to the last 4 edges. Alright, here we go. So just 4 more edges, because I got all these complete. And then it's the 3x3 stage. So after that, we're done with the cube. Done solving the cube. Alright, so that was our last 2 edges. We're on our last 2 edges right now. And now we're done. So now all the edges are solved and all the centers. So now all we have to do is solve it like a 3x3. Oh, there you go. Nearly done. last step to solving the 3x3, and we have completed the 5x5. 3, 2, 1. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me solve the 5x5. I will be teaching you all the cubes I've done, as I said before, in later videos. So stay tuned. Bye. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.